In this video, we'll show you how to mount the SwannBuddy. Before mounting, ensure the location has good, reliable Wi-Fi reception by streaming video with the device at its intended location. To determine the optimal mounting height, we recommend viewing the live stream on your mobile while experimenting with different placements so you can ensure the field of view gives you the best coverage. If mounting to a wood surface, screw the bracket directly to the surface using the provided screws. If you're mounting it to masonry, install the included wall anchors. You can use the supplied bracket foam tape to fill gaps between the bracket and surface prior to securing it. If mounting to a window, clean all the surfaces with isopropyl alcohol and then let them dry. Use the supplied rectangular double-sided tape. Peel off a liner and apply the tape to the bracket. Then peel off the other liner and press the bracket firmly against the surface for 60 seconds. Allow 24 hours for the adhesive to cure before attaching the SwannBuddy to the bracket. To attach the SwannBuddy, align the slots on the rear with the bracket and then slide it down. Then tighten the anti-tamper screw with a small Phillips screwdriver. To mount the Chime Unit, clean all the surfaces with isopropyl alcohol and then let them dry. Then, peel off a liner and apply the square double-sided tape to the unit. Next, peel off the other liner and press the unit firmly against the surface for 60 seconds. Optionally, to install with an external 1224-volt AC power source, use a voltmeter to ensure the power source is 1224 volts AC. Then, loosen both terminals on the rear of the unit. Next, secure the included wires with connectors to the terminals. Then remove the pre-cut insulation from the wire. Now secure the wires to your existing 1224-volt AC power using the included wire nuts. Align the slots on the rear with the bracket and then slide it down. Then tighten the anti-tamper screw with a small Phillips screwdriver. Congratulations! Your SwannBuddy is now fully set up and ready to use. For comprehensive instructions on the various functions available, log on to support.swann.com and then search for SwannBuddy. From Swann.